Guess what today is? It's present day. Hey everyone, Cristin Som here, and today is present day. I got a package from our sponsor for the cuties, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. I will add a link here so that you can have your own present day. So we just finished up, sorry I kicked my light. We just finished up the October cuties. Isn't that so cute? I have mine hanging on the wall right over my batting and stabilizers. So now we're going to start ordering our supplies to get ready for our November, for our November cuties. So just so you know, we will do this the last week in October, so we have plenty of time. We're going to get working on our current project, and then we'll take a break at the last week of every month like we always do. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they sent. So, oh, that is cute. So all these fall colors, look at that. Oh my goodness. So that's one thing. It's kind of funny when you look at my fabric stash, I have a lot of summer colors, a lot of colors that go along with what I like. I don't have a lot of fall. So I'm very thankful for these fabric kits because they really don't have like mustard colors and oranges and things that don't really go with my whole color scheme. So the fabric kit is very helpful, always very helpful for sure. So let's take a quick look. Oh, it looks like we've got some brown glitter vinyl and some velveteen. I haven't even looked at what we're going to be doing yet, but this gives us an idea. So a lot of silky solids for this one. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Burgundy. It's so funny. I don't have any of these, but I like these colors a ton, especially for fall. And I'll tell you, fall in Idaho is beautiful. I bet it is in Utah as well, where our sponsor is. So brown with lines on it and a brown silky solid. So lots of fun colors in there. So what we're going to make, it shows on page 18, it is the Gather cuties. So that'll be perfect for November, for Thanksgiving Day and all of that. How fun. I bet you we already have some of these quilting for the center blocks and the outer borders. We might already have some of these. Actually, it's different. So we're going to use center leaf on these, so we won't. But the border beads and border argyle, we probably have that, so we might be able to save some time on this. So anyway, we're going to do it the last week in October to get ready for our November cuties. Make sure to order your fabric kit. They might also have a thread kit. I am going to go through my threads and match up what I have to go with these fabrics. There is at the bottom of page 18, there is a guide of tiny little boxes so that you can see the thread colors that they suggest, and I'm just going to match them up against the fabrics, and then I will write little notes, and I will include under this video, once I've got it, I will include a list of the thread colors that I'm going to use. I will also include batting information. I will very likely do a prep video that last week of October before we actually get started. But for now, just get your supplies ordered. You want this beautiful fabric kit for sure. From our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, make sure to order from our affiliate link. We've got a group affiliate link so that you can order your supplies. So get your November Cuties fabric kit, and we'll get started, like I said, at the last week of October. And my shirt today, I love this one. I have to tell you, I love this one. It says bloom where you are planted. And it's on in an old hoodie because it's getting cold out, and especially with the wind. But bloom where you're planted. I actually made this shirt for myself when we were living in my dream house and we had to move, and I didn't want to move. I really didn't want to move. And of course, you make the best of things, right? And so bloom where you are planted means, like, you know, wherever you're going to be in life, whatever path you're on for your journey, you find the good in things and you make it work and you bloom and be who you're meant to be and all of that. So I made this one when we needed to move out of our house. And it's a beautiful shirt. I love this. And I added a lot of bling onto this. There is just a ton of bling in all different colors, rhinestones everywhere. So this was a really fun one. I will add information if I have it. I want to say that it was Hoop Mama Designs, but I could be making that up. But I will add underneath this video in the video notes, I will add a link if I have it of where you can get this design. And how are you doing with your goal? I did nothing for my goal last night. Nothing. I actually ate really healthy. That counts. But I didn't get a workout in. I worked until 2:30 in the morning. So I didn't get my workout done, but I'm going to do it tonight for sure. I've already got it planned. There's a new October challenge. And I meant to do it this morning, but I ended up deciding, oh, I'm going to be too tight on time and then I'll be stressed. So I didn't do it this morning. So I'm going to do it tonight for sure. I'm going to do a run. What are you doing toward your goal? Hey everyone, now that we are in the July through December book of our Cuties table toppers, I just want to show you quickly all the information that is underneath the video, since our other one is from last December. So open up any web browser and go to Cristin Creates on YouTube. From there, you can see all the videos. And I also want to point out, here's the playlist tab. And the playlist tab makes it so that you can see all of the certain projects that we have worked on. All right, any project that you're looking for a tutorial on, look in here for the specific project, including the Embrilliance Essentials tutorials. If you click on View Full Playlist down here at the bottom, a lot of people that are new to Embrilliance, we have a ton, like, what is it, 114 videos. So if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the newer videos when we were just learning ourselves. And it also has information on how to do the wording and to move things around and how to import your files to Embrilliance for the fonts and such. So all of that information. So back to the Cristin Creates page. So right here, you can open up any video. So let's look for one that is from our Cuties. So here's our last Cuties when we did the ending of the June. So if you just click on one of the Cuties videos, and like I said, you can also do it from the playlist. Either way will work fine. But from here, underneath the video, so it's running an ad right here, and it will look a little different because I'm the owner of it. You won't have all of this information, but underneath the video, it's going to, let's see, right here. Oh, it's still running. This is a long ad, my goodness. So underneath the video, you can see that it says, click here to see links below the video. And then it starts to say, join the fun in our group project. And there's the video right here. I'm on a computer. So when I say under the video, I just mean under the video, right under here on a computer. On a phone, it's there's like an arrow on the right, I believe, and you click that and it has all the video description. So it's called a video description under the video. And so right here, see, it starts to tell you about the stuff that's under the video, and then it says show more. So click show more and look at all the information that I have included under every video for you. All right, it has all of the links. It has the information about upcoming projects. It has our current affiliate link for our sponsor for our Cuties project. It has our coupon code and where to get the quilting bundle. All of that information. And then other supplies that people ask me about of like the packets to organize your fabrics. All of that information is right below there. It's also got our affiliate link for Embrilliance Essentials. I am an affiliate with Embrilliance Essentials, and I'm teaching a lot of Embrilliance on most every video. And then next up, we have what's coming up next, which is our Falling for Autumn. And the glide thread colors are always listed. all the information. I also include information about my shirts. I'm not wearing an embroidered shirt at the moment, but when I do, I include that information because I get a lot of questions about that. So all this information is under the video. So whenever I say under the video, it's literally just click that show more button and you'll see underneath the video all the information. All right, and then if you are in the market for Embellishment Essentials, I'm going to be showing that a lot. So here's the Embellishment Essentials link right here. Click on that blue link. It brings you to Embellishment Essentials, and what it brings you to Embellishments. And the program that I use is Essentials, the basic one. So right here, Product Essentials, or you can get it from the store. Either one of these goes to the same. It will take you to Embellishment Essentials. You add it to your cart. There's no other information that you need to do. You just need to click on my link that is underneath the video, or add it in yourself. Either way, it's embellishments.com/jam-affiliates/Cristin Creates. And that will put a little cookie on your computer saying that you are supporting Cristin Creates with your purchase. And you can get any of the items here. If you're into digitizing, you can do Stitch Artist. The Enthusiast program is the next one after Essentials that has a little bit more abilities, and that Thumbnailer. A lot of people love Thumbnailer. I haven't tried that yet, but that's here as well. So lots of things there underneath the video, all of those links. And when you go to our link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop right here, this blue hyperlink, you click on that and it brings you to their website. And same thing, it puts a little cookie on your computer. It doesn't actually take you to the product. So you would just go to the search bar and type in Cuties or Cuties 2 or whatever you're looking for our project, and see right there is our July kit that we're going to be starting soon. So this video just shows you how to find those links that are underneath every video. I hope this helps.